Ruger here, the SSR. Previous video, she was bone stock. If you guys want to get free horsepower, what did you do to get some serious? How much was the power increase first?
Well, I'd say it's quite a bit of power increase. I mean, I can now do some nice third gear wheelies. So what we did was took the baffle out.
So basically, we just took the baffle out and look at inside. It's just a hollowed out can with a little bit of baffle in there. There's a silencer that's like kind of riveted on here. It's a free mod.
And
basically, you just
grinded those rivets off.
take a cut-off tool,
But
grinded it.
right now, I'm actually running with like a little cap on here, so it has a little more back pressure.
Basically, you can just take the inverted silencer out, put the cap back on, and it'll still be loud. But if you want some serious loudness, you have this, and
right next to it.
you know it's pretty mint. Definitely a big power increase for sure. Sounds way, way better. Really, all you do is take the silencer out. It may damage your rings within 2 weeks, so I'm not responsible for that. But like I said, the power increase, even Triple K Cleetus Landsman said it was mint. Like, it livened it up. It livened it up a ton. I'd say 10 out of 10 mint. Throttle response is way better. Just from me driving it for a little bit, I could tell the throttle response is way better.